So a lot of people struggle with doing the work, sitting down and actually doing work. And I was just like that. But then I thought to myself, what can I do to make it more likely to sit down and do the work? And the answer is quite simple. I would make my work more fun, more satisfying, or more competitive. So a way to make your work more like fun or competitive or satisfying, the thing I would do is I would have a piece of paper visible on my desk, and every time I got a full hour of deep work without distractions, no distractions, just full on work for 1 hour, I would, with a marker, set a line. And for every hour I would set a line, and I would have like check marks for like 10 hours, 15 hours and 20 hours of per week. And with each check mark, I got a reward, like a little thing I would be able to do, a little present or something. And I would not mean like degenerate stuff, like stuffing myself with junk food as is a reward, but more things like I could buy myself something, or I could read in my book for an hour instead of doing work or something. Just like these little things that make it more rewarding. And one, this makes it more competitive because you have things to like unlock, prizes to unlock. And it is more satisfying to every time you get an hour of deep work done, you can put a line. And this is just one simple trick to do one of these things. Another thing you can do is make a habit tracker, which would make your progress more visible and more satisfying. Another thing you can do is like be competitive with, if you have a friend or someone you know who's also in self-improvement, see who can do the most work in a week. And this will make it really competitive and you really want to beat this guy, so you will grind more. And it's all like types of things you can think about, you can journal about. So how can I make my work more competitive, satisfying, or fun, or all three? And I believe not enough people are doing this. And it can really make a great impact on the amount of work you do. So I hope you learned something from this. See you tomorrow.